The Scaled Agile Framework, SAF, is a set of organization and workflow patterns intended to guide enterprises in scaling lean and agile practices. SAF is designed to help businesses continuously and efficiently deliver value on a regular and predictable schedule. It is built on three primary bodies of knowledge: agile software development, lean product development, and systems thinking. SAFe synchronizes alignment, collaboration, and delivery for multiple agile teams, providing a structured approach to scaling agile across the enterprise. At its core, SAFe is about aligning teams and ensuring that everyone is working towards the same goals. It provides a framework for scaling agile practices beyond individual teams to the entire organization. This alignment is achieved through a combination of roles, artifacts, ceremonies, and practices that ensure everyone is on the same page and working towards the same objectives. SAFe also emphasizes the importance of continuous improvement and learning, encouraging organizations to regularly reflect on their processes and make adjustments as needed. SAFe defines several key roles that are essential for its implementation. These include the Release Train Engineer, RTE, who acts as a servant leader and coach for the Agile Release Train, ART; the Product Owner, who is responsible for defining and prioritizing the product backlog; and the Scrum Master, who facilitates the Scrum process and helps remove impediments. Other important roles include the System Architect, who provides architectural guidance, and the Business Owner, who ensures that the ART is delivering value to the business. Artifacts in SAFe are the key deliverables that teams produce and use to manage their work. These include the program backlog, which contains all the features and enablers for the Agile Release Train; the team backlog, which contains the user stories and tasks for individual teams; and the PI objectives, which are the goals for each program increment. Other important artifacts include the solution intent, which captures the knowledge and assumptions about the solution; and the architectural runway, which provides the technical foundation for developing business features. Ceremonies in SAFe are the regular meetings and events that help teams plan, coordinate, and review their work. These include the PI planning event, where teams come together to plan the work for the next program increment; the daily stand-up, where team members share their progress and identify any impediments; and the system demo, where teams demonstrate the working solution to stakeholders. Other important ceremonies include the Inspect and Adapt workshop, where teams reflect on their processes and identify areas for improvement; and the Scrum of Scrums, where Scrum Masters from different teams coordinate their work. SAFe incorporates a variety of practices that help teams deliver value more effectively. These include Lean Agile principles, which provide a foundation for decision-making; DevOps practices, which help teams automate and streamline their development and delivery processes; and continuous integration, which ensures that code changes are regularly integrated and tested. Other important practices include test-driven development, which helps teams write better quality code; and agile architecture, which ensures that the technical architecture supports the needs of the business. SAFe offers several advantages for organizations looking to scale agile practices. These include improved alignment and collaboration across teams, increased transparency and visibility into the work being done, and a more predictable and reliable delivery schedule. SAFe also helps organizations respond more quickly to changes in the market and customer needs, and encourages a culture of continuous improvement and learning. By providing a structured approach to scaling agile, SAF helps organizations achieve better business outcomes and deliver more value to their customers. Despite its many advantages, SAFe also has some limitations. One of the main challenges is that it can be complex and difficult to implement, especially for organizations that are new to Agile. SAFe also requires a significant investment in training and coaching and may not be suitable for all types of organizations or projects. Additionally, some critics argue that SAFe can be too prescriptive and rigid and may stifle creativity and innovation. It's important for organizations to carefully consider these limitations and weigh them against the potential benefits before deciding to implement SAFe. SAFe incorporates many principles and practices from Lean, which is a methodology focused on maximizing value and minimizing waste. Lean principles in SAF include a focus on delivering value to the customer, optimizing the flow of work, and continuously improving processes. SAFe also incorporates lean tools and techniques, such as value stream mapping and Kanban boards, to help teams visualize and manage their work. By integrating lean principles into its framework, SAFe helps organizations create more efficient and effective processes and deliver more value to their customers. Kanban is a visual management tool that helps teams manage their work and improve their processes. In SAFe, Kanban is used at both the team and program levels to visualize the flow of work and identify bottlenecks. Teams use Kanban boards to track their work items and ensure that they are progressing smoothly through the workflow. At the program level, Kanban is used to manage the flow of features and enablers through the program backlog and ensure that they are delivered on time. By incorporating Kanban into its framework, SAF helps teams improve their efficiency and deliver more value to their customers. Scrum is an agile framework that helps teams deliver value in short, iterative cycles. In SAFe, Scrum is used at the team level to manage the work of individual teams. Teams use Scrum ceremonies, such as sprint planning, daily stand-ups, and sprint reviews, to plan, coordinate, and review their work. SAFe also incorporates Scrum roles, such as the Scrum Master and Product Owner, to help teams manage their work and deliver value to their customers. By integrating Scrum into its framework, SAFe helps teams deliver value more effectively and efficiently. Implementing SAF requires careful planning and coordination. Organizations need to start by understanding the principles and practices of SAF and ensuring that they have the necessary training and coaching in place. They also need to identify the key roles and responsibilities and ensure that they have the right people in place to fill these roles. Once the foundation is in place, organizations can start implementing SAF by conducting PI planning events, establishing agile release trains, and using the various artifacts and ceremonies to manage their work. It's important to regularly review and adjust the implementation to ensure that it is delivering the desired results. Training and coaching are essential for the successful implementation of SAF. Organizations need to invest in training for their teams to ensure that they understand the principles and practices of SAF and know how to apply them in their work. This includes training for key roles, such as the release train engineer, product owner, and Scrum Master, as well as training for team members on agile practices and tools. Coaching is also important to help teams navigate the challenges of implementing SAFe and ensure that they are following the framework correctly. By providing the necessary training and coaching, organizations can increase their chances of success with SAF. Continuous improvement is a key principle of SAFe. Organizations need to regularly reflect on their processes and identify areas for improvement. This can be done through regular inspect and adapt workshops, where teams come together to review their work and identify opportunities for improvement. It's also important to gather feedback from stakeholders and customers to ensure that the organization is delivering value and meeting their needs. By continuously improving their processes, organizations can ensure that they are delivering the best possible value to their customers and achieving their business goals. Implementing SAF requires a shift in organizational culture. Organizations need to embrace a culture of collaboration, transparency, and continuous improvement. This means breaking down silos and encouraging teams to work together towards common goals. It also means being open and transparent about the work being done and the challenges being faced. Finally, it means fostering a culture of continuous learning and improvement, where teams are encouraged to experiment, learn from their mistakes, and continuously improve their processes. By embracing these cultural changes, organizations can create an environment where SAFe can thrive. To illustrate the benefits and challenges of implementing SAF, let's look at a case study of a large financial services company. The company was struggling with slow delivery times and a lack of alignment between teams. By implementing SAF, they were able to improve their alignment and collaboration, resulting in faster delivery times and higher quality products. They also saw an increase in employee engagement and satisfaction, as teams were empowered to take ownership of their work and continuously improve their processes. However, The implementation was not without its challenges, including the need for significant training and coaching and the difficulty of changing the organizational culture. SAFE offers a structured approach to scaling agile practices across the enterprise with a focus on alignment, collaboration, and continuous improvement. However, it is not without its challenges and may not be suitable for all organizations. It's important to carefully consider the advantages and limitations of SEF and weigh them against the specific needs and goals of your organization. If you decide to implement SEF, be prepared to invest in training and coaching, and be open to making the necessary cultural changes to support the framework. With the right approach, SAFE can help your organization achieve better business outcomes and deliver more value to your customers.